on the seafront at the town of Almeria.
It's nice, you've got people
It's
roller
nice.
skating and
Yeah, there's people roller skating, bicycles. It's a lovely promenade with beautiful palm trees. They have a lovely sign, and instead of having I love heart Almeria, they have I tomato Almeria, because this is one of the major places that farms tomatoes. So in the 1970s, another movie set we've just found was Patton, and this is where it happened. Now this is the Cathedral of Almeria, but previously it was the fortress. They're all nodding behind the camera, so I think I've got it right. So we've just walked past a road that is called Calle Mariana, which is obviously my road, and we're just coming into a big square, and there's a town hall.
so we were just commenting that the actual flag on top of the town hall, it looks like the English flag, the white with the red cross, and it's the Almeria flag. It's the same as the English flag, but it has a little yellow symbol in the middle. So there you go. It's almost the same. So maybe Rocío is a little bit English. These roads leading up to the fortress are very small, and the cars, they come out of the side roads horning their horns, which wakes you up and makes you jump a bit. But it's actually got a really Moroccan feel around here.
Yeah.
It feels a bit Arabic maybe.
Yeah, and all the colours on the sides of the houses and the metalwork on the windows, it's glorious.
Yeah,
Very cool.
nice, very nice. So you come up to the top of the fortress and the view over Almeria is beautiful. You can see the sea, the sun is going down behind the hill, and on the roofs of some of the buildings you can see restaurants and people having drinks and having a good time. It's very beautiful, well worth a walk up to the fortress to get a lovely aerial view of Almeria. So another interesting fact about the fortress in Almeria is that the Game of Thrones, some of it was filmed here. In this scene behind me, and in the whole fortress. So if you're Game of Thrones fans, maybe you recognize some of these areas. So every Saturday in Almeria, in the main town, they put on entertainment near the high street. There's music and bands. As you can see behind me, they're just about to play. There's a really good, relaxing atmosphere. Lots of people on the street enjoying themselves. Good place. So they also put on kids games, they got a bouncy castle, and like I said, apparently this happens every weekend to attract people to come and enjoy the city centre. It's a great atmosphere. It's fun.
Loads of lovely goody things, salads and some stuff.
Rocío and Javi are looking after us still.
Oh, my belts.
Oh, she made paella.
Nice.
You can't come to Spain without eating some paella, and she's made a really nice looking one with seafood and bits and pieces. She's been busy in the kitchen all morning, and it looks good. Oh, Javi, we got paella.
Yes, it's my favorite plate, mainly with seafood, you know, octopus, calamari inside. It's really nice. So,
Rocío's been busy in the kitchen.
Good job.
It's a family recipe.
Yeah,
Everybody eats paella in Spain.
yeah. It's very popular eat paella on Sunday.
On Sundays?
Yeah,
Oh, like
for the
Sunday
lunch,
lunch?
yeah.
Not English Sunday lunch, you have paella.
yes, usually, at least, you know, with in our families, we eat paella every Sundays. We get all together and we make a paella and we enjoy. That's it.
Good job. Thank you very much. It looks lovely.
This morning, after spending a couple of fabulous days at Rocío and Javier's, Trudy has a leak somewhere in her brake system. So Chris is staying at home to do some video editing, making the next videos. And Rocío and I are doing a road trip because she speaks Spanish and English, and I speak English and a little bit of Spanish. So between us,
We are a great team.
we're a great team. So off we go. How exciting! Oh, road trip for the girls. So we've arrived at the garage, which is called JFC, and it's part of the Yo Camper collaboration. And a very nice guy, I don't know his name yet, I'll get his name, has I've been pumping the brakes and he's been underneath having a look, and I think we're going to be okay. He said something, he tweaked something, so I'll get some more information and I will be back to you. So we've established his name is Javier, and now we'll find out what the diagnosis is. Good job. So this is Javier. He has done a thorough check, and my brakes will need changing at some point, but we're okay. So when we get back to the UK to see Mike, we'll get the brakes changed. So yeah, no, he's happy that nothing is leaking, and he's given her a good check. He's been under the van, in the van, on top of the van, all around the van, and everything's going to be okay. So thank you, Javier. Muchas gracias. There you go. Fabulous. Thank you very much. So we're just packing up our stuff. Chris has been working whilst I went to the garage so Trudy could have her checkup. She's been given the all clear. So now we're going to put our stuff in the van. Although we sleep in the van, you always end up bringing everything into whoever's house you're visiting. So we've got bags of stuff to take back out to the van. And then we're going to make our way along the south coast. It's afternoon now, so we probably won't go too far.
I heard Spanish, I heard
And I'm half Almeria and I'm half English.
They haven't been drinking yet, I promise. Javi's just accepted a new job
Yes.
So tonight I think he's going to celebrate maybe a
Yes.
little bit.
Maybe we should drink something. But actually, last night we drank too, so
Oh, okay.
it would be kind of
don't,
the
tell,
same.
don't tell everybody.
We need to
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun